G'day friends, welcome to day 19 of MERMAY 2020. Today's question is, for both of us, I've got Steve here.
Hi guys.
I've dragged him in. If you could switch bodies for the day, what would you do? Question mark. So if you and I could switch places, but like I was in your body, you were in my body. Okay, I would obviously be singing. I want to sing. I want to know what I want to know what it feels like to sing out like loud and well and know that I'm hitting the right notes. So I would do that. I want to run. I just want to see how fast you can really run, but like me in your body. I think I would test your physical endurance. I'd probably do something painful.
Why?
I don't know. I just want to see what your pain threshold
Do you
is.
think I'm strong?
I think you've got a quite high tolerance for pain.
Okay. Yeah, possibly.
Do you not?
No, I mean, I think I do. It's so funny because, like...
But I don't know if yours is different to mine.
Well, because he's always like, you're whinging, and I'm like, I'm actually not. Like, I don't whinge unless it really, like, I don't complain unless I'm really in pain or I'm really actually sick.
Yeah, so the times when you're not really actually sick and you're complaining, you're whinging.
That's just for dramatic effect.
Yeah. So was I wrong?
No. But you do the same thing.
Yeah, everyone does.
Sure.
Wow. Slight read. Library is open. Okay, what would you do if you were in this vessel?
I would want to draw everything that I've ever wanted to draw.
Oh, really? Mm. That's kind of boring.
And then I would scan it and make copies and sell it for the future.
You don't want to make me eat gherkins or to see how much I really don't like them?
No. That's not important to me. I mean, because you're allowed to have your stuff and do what it is. I guess the other thing would, like, I try to, like, get into your brain a little bit and understand where you come from with some of your thoughts on life. Because James is very wise.
That's nice.
Yeah. So that's
I don't think you want to be in there. I was trying to explain to Steve earlier my brain was thinking. But it was on a very weird, like, 3 degrees of separation. It was one thought led on to another, but about 50 thoughts all at once, and they all had their own little networks of thoughts, and I was so overwhelmed I had to kind of stop and just be like, how do I turn my brain off right now?
You know what's surprising about it was actually surprisingly, like, human. I was like, oh, so he struggles just like I do, and I have a gazillion things in my brain, and I just wanted to be like, calm down, it's not that serious.
Oh yeah, as opposed to all those other times when I'm not presenting human.
I mean, the thing is like, because James is so he's so decisive. He's like, okay, well, I've done that. That's what it is. I've created it. It looks great. I love that.
Well, I don't usually share my thought process.
No, and you usually don't share this stuff, like why you don't like something or if you felt like you didn't miss the mark there. It's always like, yeah, that was great.
I've never really ever felt the need to explain myself. Steve rolled his eyes so hard.
I don't know how to respond to that, to be honest.
I don't know. That's maybe a bit of a family trait. Do you think?
Maybe. I mean, I think I don't know. I think that's a bigger conversation.
Well, if you were in my body for a day, you could figure that out.
I suppose so.
You would want to dance?
No, because I can dance.
Oh. The challenge has been set.
I can't dance the way you dance, but I know how to
Let's
move.
have a competition.
I can move.
Well, I can't sing.
I can move enough that I'm like, oh, that would be a lot of fun. Maybe I'd like to do like a So You Think You Can Dance moment. Can you do that?
Now you're questioning me. Yeah, I reckon I could do it.
Yeah, you could do something like that. That might be fun to actually feel like what it actually is like to
I don't think my body holds up to all those tricks
anymore.
It'd be
nice to see what, like, if I could actually do a triple pirouette, what that feels like.
Yeah.
Can you do a triple pirouette?
Don't. I knew you were going to ask that. You are so rude. Can you sing on key?
I can sing on key. Yes, I can.
Well, I don't know if I can do a triple pirouette anymore because it's different now.
You can probably still do it. It's like riding a bike.
No, I can do it. I can do it. What are you talking about? Of course I can do it. I don't know if I can do it. I'm sure I could. Anyway, well, I would love to sing.
It was such an interesting question.
I would love to get in there and just, like, know what's going on.
Oh, you'd see, like, insanity.
I don't want to go in your brain, though.
Well, that's exactly where you'd go.
No, I want the body, just the vessel. All the capabilities of your body, my brain in there, though. So I can just tinker about.
That's interesting. Well, good question. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, I guess if we're going to pose the question back to you, who would you choose and why would you choose to go in their body for a day?
Definitely.
There you go. Join you again tomorrow for day 20.
Okay, bye.
Bye.